The good news is gardening doesn't have to take hours every day. In fact, spending just 10 or 15 minutes each day walking around your garden is often all it takes. As you become familiar with your plants, you'll quickly notice when something needs watering, when flowers need deadheading, or when vegetables are ready to harvest. Gardening is as much about observation as it is about digging. The more time you spend with your plants, the more confident you'll become. One of the most common mistakes beginners make is overwatering. Plants don't like constantly wet soil. Instead of watering little and often, it's better to water thoroughly so the moisture reaches deep into the roots. Then allow the surface of the water to dry slightly before watering again. The simple trick is to push your finger in to a couple of centimetres into the soil. If it still feels damp, your plants probably don't need watering again yet. If it feels dry, it's time to give them a good soak. Gardens don't have to be perfect. A little regular care goes a long way. Remove faded flowers known as deadheading from plants like petunias, marigolds and zinnias to encourage even more blooms. Harvest vegetables regularly, especially beans, courgettes and tomatoes, as this encourages the plants to keep producing. Pull out weeds while they're still small, before they have a chance to spread.